Sure.
You've worked in this space for a long time. If you could give one piece of advice to any business owner or early stage leader as it pertains to your specialty in cybersecurity, what would that advice be, Chris?
I think it touches on what we talked about earlier. Pretend there is no such thing as a cybersecurity expert and act as if that's the case.
So for folks just who need more explanation of that, what does that mean?
So that means that there are many things that you can do that are non-technical, and waiting for the right person, waiting for the right bucket to put it into, that is the fatal mistake. So pretend that there's no expert out there that will take care of things, and recognize there are things that are in your control and within your understanding, and do those things.
Well, that makes a ton of sense. And again, keep responsibility for its completion, whether you outsource it to another group or party, front of mind for yourself. So